Hope everybody is having a good day. Want to say thanks for watching and thanks for getting us to 500 subscribers. Um, took us just under 3 months, and hopefully getting to 1,000 will take us that time or even shorter. And all of this is possible because you guys show interest in our content. So we just want to say thanks. All right. Um, News coming out of the Reggae Boys training camp as we get prepared to take on Costa Rica to decide who tops Group C. They are taking what you could describe as a tactical break. This news is coming out of the Jamaica Observer, so now we're going to take a closer look at that article. All right. Orlando, Florida. Jamaica's Reggae Boys have been given a 2-day break from on-field training activities as a team official has confirmed. Team manager Roy Simpson said the players would not take the field on Saturday and Sunday in keeping with the broad daily activity itinerary and competition technical program. However, the move is not seen as a fulsome rest period, but an opportunity to focus on other aspects of team activation in a tournament environment. I think this is an important aspect that we have to look at because we definitely have to go back to the drawing board. But let's continue to read. In absence of on-pitch training, the group will be involved in other activities. For example, recovery regimens for players who participated in Friday's Gold Cup match against Guadeloupe, which the boys won 2-1 to advance to the quarterfinal round of the tournament. All right. The players and staff are also expected to stay engaged in meetings that could involve but not limited to team bonding and match analysis sessions. I hope um, that we're sitting down with our new video analysis people and going over those matches and trying to make adjustments to our tactics, especially in the midfield, because we've had zero control of both of the games that we've won so far. I think everybody can see it's clearly individual talent and skill that is getting us through. So we definitely need some tactics that maybe a bit more suitable to the players that we have. You know what I mean? Let's continue. As preparations move into higher gear for the top of the table showdown with Costa Rica in the final Group C match on Tuesday, the boys will stage a full tactical session at the ESPN Wide World of Sports on Monday. So yesterday, which is Saturday, Sunday is a rest day, and then on Monday they get back to on-field training in preparation for the match on Tuesday evening, right? Jamaica go into the Costa Rica matchup with 6 points, the same as the Central Americans, but the latter lead the group on a goal difference tiebreaker. All right. Um, at this point, I really think that the tactical break is necessary. We have been decent enough to pull out victories in our first 2 matches, but there are definitely things that we need to improve on. So if this is their way of saying that we're going back to the drawing board to try to improve how the team is performing on the field, well, that is a good thing. That is how I see that. Guys, that's it for today. So join us as we lead up to this match with further updates, and just continue watching and supporting. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so and make sure to like the video. I'll see you next time.